Good morning. It is September 13, and Katniss event is going to happen tomorrow, and we're expecting a lot from them, of course, and a lot on the specifically the main event, which is the Canon R3. I'm actually uh, thinking still about purchasing this camera and trying out, to see if this will be a great camera for video specs, right? Like on the video side. So I just wanted to see how long it will take me in order to switch over to an R3, which I currently have an R6 at this moment, and what I'm recording on right now. So I want to make sure to see if this is going to be good for me. Now, there's just a few things I really want to talk about really quick. And one of the things is basically just on the video side of things. Just some of the pictures that I've seen from the R3. I know that Peter McKinnon has shown, what the R3's body is comparing to the 1DX Mark II, and so. But the back screen, when I saw that, I paused it and took a screenshot of it. So I'm expecting, and these are some of the cons. There's only two cons that I'm expecting out of this. So the first con would be seeing that there is a time limit with this camera. There's still the 2959 when it comes to recording, and so that's still, for me, it's, I still want that gone, absolutely, become obsolete in itself. The second one would be when the back screen opens up and you still see that warning of, the back can still heat up, of course, based on those specs. And so I'm still a little bit worried about, I don't think it'll overheat, but there's always a warning there just in case it does or whatnot. But again, those tests will be I'm assuming those tests will be revealed tomorrow. You just have to see, other channels, of course, posting those reviews. But for me, as a Canon R6 user, and for those of you that have subscribed and seen my previous videos, I've done multiple tests when it comes to the R6, and I don't know yet. It's still up in the air whether I want to upgrade or not. We'll still have to see, and if I do, then I will, guys, let you know, and then I'll have it right here. I'll have the R3, and that's the future where the 1DX lineup it's gonna go now. It's from DSLR to mirrorless. I am also hoping for, on the video side of things, again on the R3, I'm hoping for the same kind of specifications that you see on the menu on the 1DX Mark III. So it's possible that this can shoot, maybe 5.5K, 60 frames per second, or maybe 6K, 60 raw. So that's pretty big size files. So basically, I just need to prepare myself for tomorrow, just in case I am tempted to get it. But if I do get it, I'll let you guys know. And that's one of the things, right? That's one of the things that really is leaning me towards getting something or investing in a camera body, is just what you need. You don't want to get something that you don't need now, but you're able to work with what you have. So that's one of the things I talked myself into, right? And as a videographer, as a content creator, you want to make sure you're going to get enough equipment for your needs. And that's one of the things that I told myself about. So we'll see how everything goes tomorrow, and then we'll make that judgment, of course. But one last thing before I let you guys go, and one of the things that I did encounter not too long ago, because of weather related, I think it's the overheating. I shot a wedding, and it was on the outside. It was just at least maybe 102 degrees, but I was constantly moving around, so that heat minimized the time on my camera when recording 4K 60. So not 4K 24, 4K 60. So basically, that is I can't have that while I want to record something that's sharp enough. So the R3, well, we'll see what happens tomorrow. what's going to happen there. And you know, if the R3 can shoot in any kind of weather condition on videos, on the video side of things, and it does not overheat, then that just helps me lean towards that. But the one other thing is the flip out screen, and so that's not the rotating, you know, the flip out rotating screen that Canon has implemented there. But that's another option that definitely is a plus for me, because I create, and you know, when I come home, I want to go ahead and be able to create videos. So 1DX 2 and 3 don't have that, and I wish they did. But I try to think if I need to touch any other subjects. At this moment, I think I touched everything I needed to touch. And so I want you guys to know that I appreciate all the subscribers here that I've been having, and please do. I'll still create more content. I know I've been taking a little bit of a break. I've been doing a lot of weddings, a lot of events, and so it's gonna slow down. And so this time around the winter, it's when I'm gonna create more and more videos and more things. But if I do get the Canon R3, okay, if I do get it, you'll see it here. Okay, you definitely will see it here too as well. And I'll give you definitely an honest review on the video side of things, everything that you need to know. Okay, I'm gonna further test that thing out as I did with the R6, and I want to keep something that's not gonna give me any issues down the road. All right, guys. Well, again, my name is Alex, and so I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, take care.